I want to show you my bathroom vanity. It's a wire spool. I used stone coat epoxy, casting epoxy to fill it. Did a couple coats of that because honestly when you do an epoxy on a spool, it is almost impossible to contain all of it from running through. And then I did the backsplash laying flat, and I used a casting epoxy on it also. And then I installed it. After I installed it, I did another flood coat of casting epoxy, and it sealed everything around the corner. I like to use things that I used to build this house. So that saw blade, I repurposed it and dropped it in the table. Some of the nails from the barnwood that I pulled out. Here's a old rusty bandsaw blade. Same blade, but I polished it. And no, I'm not quite that old and drinking beer with the pull cap. Next, I'm going to show you, and I haven't done this project yet, is how to patina this metal ring, which looks like this. This one goes on the bottom of the spool, and I have a trick using acid to change its color to that copper. I still have issues with the run down the sides of making it flat, but I'm pretty happy how it turned out. Yeah, it works. I have a custom creations page called Endless Empire Custom Creations, and what it's about is just random ideas of using old stuff. Anybody's welcome.